Yeah, hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Temple Samuel. Today I want to talk about how you can make steady cash online. So many people think that making money online is not worth it or is not real. But I'm here to tell you that you can make at least $10 every day, $10 every day online legitly, legitly. Okay, now let me tell you the things you can do to make money online. Now, number one, you can do freelancing. Freelancing, although most people think freelancing is really hard, but you can write for people. You can write, you can do a little writing, you can do, yeah. Then if you can develop app, you can develop app like an application, Android phone, as in sorry, Android application for websites and stuff like that. And you can do that on Fiverr.com or Upwork. Although I used to do that before, but I shut it down when I realized this. Wow, this method of making money online. This is so sweet. Every day I make cool cash online through betting. Yes, I know you will say, betting, this is betting, this cut one. Yes, it's gonna cut. Your games will continue to cut unless you use a particular strategy. Now this strategy is the less game you as in you play or you stake on, the more you win. Okay, now let's say like yesterday I staked 5,000 naira on two odds game. I removed a I did a forecast on four games that gave me two odds, and boom, at the end of the day I made extra 5,000 naira for myself, making it 10,000. So it was worth it. I didn't do anything, just to sit down, open my laptop or use my phone to do a little forecast about teams that can play, teams that can score goals. Like you can play to win either half or to score, or you can play over and under corner. All those options are very very cool, but to tell you the truth, I play win either half. Okay, so I staked 5,000 naira on two odds, and I won extra 5,000 naira. So I sat with a friend of mine that we do sit together to make this work, because I have a colleague that we used to sit down, brainstorm on teams that can win either half, and then we place our bets. Now we talked about something like, since this is gonna work, why not increase the capital? Because it's business, we call it capital. Why not increase the capital, then you reduce the odds? For example, since we're using playing trading on two odds with win either half market, now we are going to reduce the odds to 1.50 odds. We can focus on two games that will give us 1.50 odds, two win either half games that will give us 1.50 odds. Then we place a bet of 10,000 naira. Now, when we place this bet of 10,000 naira, do you know that we are making 15,000 naira, like extra 5,000 naira for ourselves? I stake 10,000 naira, he stakes 10,000 naira, and the outcome will be 15,000 naira at the end of the day. So extra 5,000 naira. That's cool. You can sleep all day, and at the end of the day, you see extra 5,000 naira on your either Bet Niger account or Naira Land account. Sorry, Naira Bet account. I'm always on Naira Land. That's why. Naira Bet account, Bet King, 1xBet, any platform you can register on. Please make sure that you do this because it's worthwhile. Okay, making money online is very very sweet, very interesting, very very interesting. So I would want you to come online. If you find it difficult, you can get my contact on the description box below, and I'm going to guide you. I'll guide you on my Facebook timeline. I drop two odds, short two odds. Then on my blog, I blog on www.mysoccergist.com. I do drop two odds every day, but today I couldn't because I was very very busy. Although I placed a bet of two odds today with 5,000 naira, I'm expecting extra 5,000 naira today. So I'll be off for now because my players are beginning to come. That's one of them there. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that I'm a football coach. I coach Focus Football Academy. So I'll be off for now till my next video. Do not forget to subscribe. Follow my video bomber to bomber, because I'm gonna give you tips on how to make money online, especially betting. My next video, watch out for it. Thank you.